for ukuba setasi next.
Yeah, it's been finished at 2021.
Yeah.
So it was great coming back at us, Valley. Yeah, but yeah.
Into engithanda phela Musiphathele the same flavor, the same size okuplay entertain Hotman, which is what you've always done ever since isabhekelela from Phillies games, local games. We've always been entertaining us. So Hotman namhlanje usevali akufani nakwezinye indawo like ku-different njani eValley from ezinye indawo oke wadlala kuzo.
Yeah, Valley, no, it's talented. That's why they call it Valley except Brazil. So we playing against defending champion.
Yeah.
And one of the favorite teams, Valley. Yeah, it was a tough game, you know? Yeah, it was the first time playing for a much retired government. But I was trying because of it's one of the good teams. We trying to build something that is strong. So yeah. But you manage. It was nice coming in Valley. Yeah, proud in Amgelega, you know.
Hotman bros. Every time you're on the board, even me, I always feel entertained from ngisakubukela TV all day. Sometimes I'm good to be Valley, experience as a Valley, like this is not your last game, right?
Yeah. There are some things we have to get us lose. We have to come back strong so that we win. I want to win that tournament by all means, but yeah, we're coming back strong.
Alright, the Hotman there's some rumors going around. You take Hotman, imagine say funa ukubeka amabhuthi, say funa retire. What's up with that, Hotman?
Yeah, bro, I've been playing for a long time now. I think it's time.
No, Hotman, if you are gonna retire, you're gonna retire a legend.
Sure.
I think everyone who knows and loves football, kumele ukuthi amgaba uBlackberry. Umuntu ongakabi akayazi ibhola, akabhekeleli ibhola. Thina we thank you for amandla wakho Hotman for the entertainment, for everything oyenzile for the sporting code like as a whole. Prime usigayile flavor, usigayile entertainment. Sibonge official ezibhal podcast mo retire Hotman.
Thanks, Lafuthu. Thanks for the opportunity.
Okay, thank you Hotman. Let's see you on the next game. Let's hope uzokwenza ngcono retire like ngale ndlela ufuna ukuretire ngayo uphethe into zakho emoyeni Brian.
Never happy.
Alright, thank you Hotman.